The Death of the Milky Way, a journey through space's darkest secrets. Above us, spanning the dark canvas of space, lies the Milky Way, a river of stars so immense that it has cradled countless mysteries for billions of years. To us, it feels timeless, something that has always been and always will be. But what if I told you that even galaxies have lifespans and that our beloved Milky Way is on a path toward a dark, cosmic fate? Let's go back to the very beginning. Over 13 billion years ago, just after the Big Bang, a swirl of gases began to pull together under the force of gravity, forming stars that would become the Milky Way's first residents. Star by star, cluster by cluster, a structure emerged, a spinning, spiraling form we call the Milky Way. Think of it like a city rising in slow motion. Stars born out of dense clouds of gas clumped together, and their combined gravity pulled more stars in. Over millions of years, the arms of the Milky Way stretched wider, forming the beautiful spiral shape we see today. Our solar system, however, wouldn't join the galaxy until around 4.5 billion years ago, a recent newcomer in the grand story of our galaxy. At the center of this city of stars lies a mysterious and powerful heart, a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A*. We might imagine black holes as endless voids that devour everything nearby, but Sagittarius A* acts more like a cosmic anchor. Its gravitational pull keeps millions of stars in orbit around it, holding the galaxy together. Astronomers believe that millions of black holes drift silently within the galaxy, some of them born from stars that collapsed in on themselves. These stellar mass black holes are hard to detect, invisible except for their effects on nearby objects. Imagine, somewhere in the darkness, a black hole drifts alone, an invisible predator lurking in the galactic shadows. But the greatest threat to the Milky Way may come not from within, but from the vast expanse of space around it. Over 2.5 million light-years away lies our galactic neighbor Andromeda, a massive galaxy nearly twice the size of the Milky Way, hurtling toward us at 110 kilometers per second. As Andromeda approaches, its gravitational influence will start to disrupt the Milky Way's structure. Tidal forces between the two galaxies will stretch and distort the beautiful spiral arms, flinging stars out into the void. Our night sky will be transformed, a slow-motion spectacle of stars as the galaxies twist around each other like two cosmic dancers locked in a fateful embrace. Scientists predict that in about 4 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way will collide head-on. Stars from both galaxies will be tossed about, forming new structures as they blend together. The collision will trigger bursts of star formation, lighting up the night sky with new suns, while others may be swallowed by black holes or flung out into the darkness. The legacy of the Milky Way. Though the Milky Way as we know it will cease to exist, its story will live on in the new galaxy it helped create. Even in the vast, cold reaches of space, nothing is truly permanent. Stars, planets, and even galaxies are born, live, and eventually change. And in this cycle of creation and destruction, perhaps we can find a kind of beauty, a reminder of how small we are, yet how connected we are to the vast story of the universe. Though the Milky Way as we know it will cease to exist, its story will live on in the new galaxy it helped create. Even in the vast, cold reaches of space, nothing is truly permanent. Stars, planets, and even galaxies are born, live, and eventually change. And in this cycle of creation and destruction, perhaps we can find a kind of beauty, a reminder of how small we are, yet how connected we are to the vast story of the universe. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the mysteries of the universe. If you enjoyed unraveling the secrets of space and exploring the epic stories hidden in the stars, we invite you to become part of our growing community. By subscribing to our channel, you'll never miss a story as we uncover new cosmic phenomena, dive into the latest space discoveries, and journey beyond the limits of what we know. Don't just watch, be a part of it. Hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and stay tuned for more insights that will expand your understanding of the universe. Let's explore the cosmos together.